Suzanne's quick way. So let's start again. So put the bullet point on and it's indented it. So I'm just going to put sort of introduction to Word. As I return and enter and tab across, this will give me create a new Word document. And again, I can continue with options, formatting, techniques, bullet points. And if I do Shift and enter, this is another option in bullet points, enter, and Shift and tab to go backwards. So let's just do this again. Select bullet points, okay, and Shift and enter for second line in same bullet. So see second line in same bullet, and then return, Shift and tab to go backwards with your bullet points. And lastly, we want to do formatting, maybe double line spacing. Afterwards, you need to do your double line spacing with your paragraph settings. And you can do that 1.5, however you want to lay it out. If you want something more specific, in another session, I'm going to show you how to customize bullet points, especially outline numberings, effectively. See you next time.